Hey, welcome on in everyone. Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of community in ClickFunnels 2.0. Specifically, we'll walk through how to actually manage your members, making sure that either they have the correct access, you can revoke access, maybe you want to ban somebody. There's a bunch of different things you can do, and we're going to walk through each and every one of them. So give me a few minutes of your time, and I'll walk you through what you need to know. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our Quick Start Blueprint ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Starting off from your dashboard in ClickFunnels 2.0, we'll see the community option over in the left-hand navigation. Now, if you do not, make sure that the app is actually added to your workspace. To do that, click on Add Apps, and then from there, inside of the App Center, make sure you navigate to Community, just like this, and it should show something very similar to this page that we're looking at together. Now, I already have the app added, but if I didn't, I would see the button that says Add the app to my account or to my workspace, and once you click that, it will essentially add it to your left-hand navigation here and allow you to navigate back and forth as you want. Now, seeing that I have already added the app and it's ready to use inside of my workspace, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Community in the left-hand navigation. Just click on that directly. From there, we should see a drop down with two options. One is going to be groups. The second is going to be members. All right. From here in the drop down, we're going to be navigating to members. Once we land on this page right here, you should see all members that are currently added to your communities. If you want to view more information about them, you can either click directly on their name or their contact right here, or click on the gear icon. All right. Either way, it's going to bring you into their membership profile, just like this. Now, from this view, you can go in and you can access their contact profile by clicking on the email or name right here at the top. Below that, you can choose whether or not they're going to be moderators inside of your community. On the right of that, you can see the option to select which topics or groups that they have access to. If you want to add a new membership, just click on the little checkbox next to that item and then update the membership, and that's it. Now, if you're trying to revoke access, you can go in and just uncheck everything or uncheck the ones that you don't want them to have access to, and same thing, click on update membership. All right, when you do so, it's going to affect their overall ability inside of the community or the community space and what they can actually access on the back end. Now, there's actually a faster way. Instead of checking everything off one by one or unchecking, you can technically go over here and just revoke all access if you wanted to. Now, when you click on revoke all access, it's just going to have you type in the word revoke, all caps, right here in the middle, and then it'll allow you to proceed from there. Essentially, it's just removing them all at once and making sure that they don't have access to anything moving forward. If you want to re-add everything, you can definitely do that in the future, but this is just more or less a temporary thing if you want it to be. If you were wanting to ban them from the community, just like the button to the right of that says, you can ban them from community. Just click on that. It should show a little pop-up allowing you to explain why they're being banned. Now, I believe that the reason here is just for your records, just so you can see as a note inside of their contact profile what happened, why you're banning them, and just give you an overview of the situation. But that being said, I believe they also get a message saying you've been removed from a community, so keep that in mind. Either way, I don't think that matters. You want to make sure they're notified in either case, right? But there's that. Once you hit ban after that, it's going to then ban them from your community. Now let's do it for this guy just as an example. I'm going to go and just copy and paste this so I don't have to actually type it. That's a little cheat code there. And there we go. Now this user has been banned. I'm going to click on continue, and just like that, they're no longer shown in the all tab, but they should show over here in the banned tab. So if you ever want to unban them, you can go over here, you can go in and view their contact profile again, or their membership profile essentially. And on here, you can go in and edit the ban. This is just going to be the note that you created there. And that's basically it. Otherwise, you can go in and unban them, and they should then be able to come back into the community and access all of the given areas that they had access to prior. So give it a second. There we go. Go back into the overview. You should see that the access is still granted and they're back to normal. So there's that. All right. The other thing we can do here from the members tab, if you go click on members in the breadcrumbs here, we should be able to actually view their contact profile directly from this page as well. So if you wanted to, just click on this little icon directly to that gear icon or to the left of that, and it should bring us to the profile just like this. From the contact profile, you can go in and view things like the activity log, and that will actually show the ban and unban for the specific user. If you ever were curious, you can always scroll through and see the full activity log for this individual to see what they've been up to, what's going on, and yeah, ultimately just have a nice overview of who that is or what they're up to. If you want to add notes, you can, but really I'm just trying to point out the fact that this is listed, the ban and unban of that specific contact. All right, one other thing to mention here from this page, you can click on member again directly and it should bring us right back to the member overview, just like that, or the membership settings there. Aside from that, if you wanted to add new members directly from the screen right here, you can, and all you have to do is click on new membership in the right hand side of the screen. From there, it should show a brand new screen where we can go in and type in the name or email around this contact, whatever identifiable information you can remember, and then it'll show a drop down of all contacts in this workspace, right? Anyone that would meet that specific name or email. Below that, you can make it so they're a moderator directly from the jump if you wanted to. Just toggle this on. Aside from that, you can go over to the right side of the screen and determine what groups or topics that they have available to them right from the jump. Okay, there's that. After that, they should receive an email that will essentially let them know that they are now enrolled or allowed to access this community. That's it. That's all there really is for this tutorial. If you have any questions around this process at all or anything around the community or ClickFunnels 2.0 as a whole, feel free to let me know down below in the comments. All right, so with that said, have a fantastic rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.